Meet the King of Saxony. He has the longest head feathers of any bird. And they're vital for impressing a female. But first, the king must advertise for a queen. He shares the canopy with hundreds of birds. But is the right one here for him? That could be her. Time to head down to his display vine. She's definitely up there, but he needs her closer. And when she is, he can begin his routine. She'll judge him on everything. How high he swings, the length of his head feathers, and how he shakes them. The higher he scores, the more likely she'll choose him. It's decision time. So, is he the king of the swingers? It seems not. Oh well, back to the search.